This is a brief presentation of how you could use validated ID to have electronic documents signed, and we're also going to show you using DocuWare forms. I have a very mock quote here just to be able to have something to work with. And I'm going to come up here and I'm going to go to Forms, click on Validated ID, which is just VID. Document type is going to be a quote. My quote number is going to be there. The phone number I'm going to use is 314-910-0024, my cell phone, because I'm going to be getting a connection. Contact name is going to be me. And it has my information here, so I can just click on that. It'll bring the rest of the information in for me. Now, I'm going to submit this form. So the form has been submitted. I'm going to come back here, go into my DocuWare, and I'm going to go to my search, and I'm going to update it, and I'm going to perform a search. And there is my document that I just put in. So what I want to do here is I have a document here. I'm going to come back, go to my document trace and split this. This is just show how I can combine things together at one time. I'm going to come back here and do a search of the ACC demo and do a search. There's my document. And I'm going to grab this document and drop it on this one. So I'm going to clip them together. And this is the order I want them. That's fine. And say store. Clip. So you'll now see I have a two-page document here. Now, what's also happened in the back is that this has triggered my validated ID to send me a notice saying I need to sign this document. So my Outlook is going to open here, and you'll see that I have an email from validated ID that I need to sign this document. I'm going to come up here and say, okay, fine, here's my request. I'm going to come up here and click on the access to the document. And it's going to send me a connection to my cell phone. So I'm just getting my cell phone up. I'm not going to bother to show it to you. You know how that works. I'm going to go to my messages, and it's going to send me a message giving me a code to enter to be able to do this. So I want to, this is the first page document. So yeah, this is what I want to sign. We come up here and say sign it. And it's going to send me a validation code to my phone, which I'm going to type in. Not received it quite yet. If in doubt, you can click on the new code. I just got the code. You probably heard my phone. And here I'm entering the code. Sign. So I'm just going to use my mouse, or I can use a stylus or touchpad and just sign my name. Thankfully, that signature looks better than what I do when I actually write it with a pen. So it's placing the signature onto my document. As soon as this is finished, it's going to go through, and then my signature is complete, has been successfully signed. I'm going to come back to DocuWare here. I'm just going to close this, leave this one open. I'm going to refresh my DocuWare, click on this, and you'll see that my signature is signed right there. Page 2 is there. I have my page 2 that shows so they're connected. And at the same time, I would come over here now and show you. I'm going to right click on here, go to version overview, and it shows me here's my old out of date one, which is right here. And then I'm going to come up and click on this one, and there's my signed one. So we can sign them that quick. So literally you saw the time it's going to take to be able to move documents back and forth with validated ID. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give Mike a call.